Understanding AI has never been easier with Simply Artificial Intelligence. Combining bold graphics with easy-to-understand text, Simply Artificial Intelligence is the perfect introduction to the world of AI for those who are short of time but hungry for knowledge. Covering a broad range of fields within AI, from computing and mathematics to politics and philosophy, entries demystify what artificial intelligence is and how it works, how it has dramatically changed the way we live, and how it might evolve in the future. Explaining each individual aspect of AI more clearly than ever before, the book outlines the key building blocks and technological milestones in its history, profiles its most important practical applications, both current and predicted, and explores the numerous ethical debates around AI, and its increasing influence on culture and society. Whether you are studying science or AI-related subjects at school or college, or simply want a jargon-free overview of this increasingly important subject, this essential guide is packed with everything you need to understand the basics quickly and easily. Find the link below and buy the book now.